Welcome back, friends. In this video, we will do hands-on with Amazon SNS service. Let's go to the SNS console. Amazon SNS is Amazon's simple notification service. Essentially, Amazon SNS is a pub-sub messaging service typically used in microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. Pub-sub messaging is one of the key architectural components like queues when you are building or integrating decoupled distributed systems. One of the main differences between pub-sub and queues is that queues are used in a point-to-point communication system, which means a single receiver. On the other hand, in pub-sub systems, messages are sent to multiple subscribers simultaneously. Amazon SNS is a highly available, durable, secure, and fully managed service that enables you to decouple microservices, distributed systems, and event-driven serverless applications. Amazon SNS provides topics for high-throughput, push-based, many-to-many messaging. Let's start with the hands-on. Let's create a topic. Let's call it SNS Demo. Here we have two options, FIFO and Standard. FIFO is first in, first out. It strictly preserves message ordering. It provides exactly once message delivery, provides high throughput, up to 300 publishes per second, and allows SQS subscription protocols. On the other hand, Standard Topic provides best effort message ordering, at least once message delivery, extremely high throughput with SQS, Lambda, HTTP, SMS, email, and mobile application endpoints as subscription protocols. We will create a standard topic for this hands-on. All the default options are okay, as this is just a tutorial. Let's click on Create Topic. The main point of this tutorial is to send messages to this topic and let the subscribers receive the sent messages from the topic. That being said, we need to define subscriptions, as there are no subscriptions for this topic right now. Let's click on Create Subscription. As you can see, we have different protocols, as we talked about earlier. These are Kinesis Data Firehose, SQS, Lambda Email, Email JSON, HTTP, HTTPS, Platform Application Endpoint, and SMS. These are different choices you have as targets for your SNS topic. As we discussed, SNS is a pub-sub messaging service. So whatever targets we select here, SNS topic which we created for this hands-on will send messages to those subscribed targets. For this hands-on, we will select email, as this is a very quick and easy way to learn how SNS works. For the endpoint, I'm going to use the mailinator.com email address. If you don't know what Mailinator is, it is a temporary email system. That means emails are automatically deleted after some time, and you can also delete them manually. I'm going to enter this mailinator.com email address, which I have provided as a subscription email address. This is a temporary email box for me. This email box is currently empty. So I'm going to use this email box, and I'm going to create this subscription for the topic, which I have created for this hands-on. As you can see that I got this message that subscription to SNS Demo is created successfully. Now if I go back to the topic, we can see that the subscription. However, its status is pending confirmation. Now we need to look into the mailbox. Let's go to the Mailinator mailbox to check the mail. As you can see that I've received this AWS notification email. Let me open it. It is asking me to confirm the subscription. Let me click on Confirm Subscription. Now subscription is confirmed. If I go back to the SNS console and refresh the browser, we can see that the subscription status is confirmed. If you are interested in creating other subscribers, you can add more. But we will keep this tutorial simple, so one subscriber is okay for learning purposes. But you could have many subscribers for your SNS topic. Now let's publish a message on the SNS topic. For the subject line, I'll enter test message. For the message body, which is also commonly called payload in web services terminology, let's enter hello world and click on publish message. As you can notice, I got this message that the message was published to the topic successfully. What it means, all the subscribers for this topic should receive this message. Let me go to the Mailinator email box. I received this message a few minutes ago called test message as a subject line. And in the email body, I have hello world, which if you remember, I sent as part of the payload. As you can see, this worked. This was a very simple hands-on to show how Amazon SNS works. When you are done with this hands-on, delete the topic, which is a good practice when learning. Go back to the topic. Select the topic and click Delete. And the topic is deleted now. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it.